So this is the same basic circuit from fundamentals of electric circuits. Now we have to implement this circuit in Proteus simulation software. Let's start. We have to find the currents and voltages. First we try to make the circuit. Let's choose the components. First we choose the resistors. We can choose any value because we will change it according to our desired value. I choose 100. Double click, it is added here. Now we have to choose voltage source. This is the DC voltage source. Select it too. That's all we need for now. Now connect the components. Now choose the values for our components. For voltage source we have to choose the value 30 as per our circuit given in the book. For resistance value we have to choose 8 ohm here, 3 ohm here, 6 ohm here. Okay, now as we have to measure the voltages and currents, for voltages we have to measure the voltage across this resistor, across this and this. So we choose this icon and we can see the DC voltmeter. Click here, place it and connect it. Repeat the same process for R2 and for R3. Now we have placed the voltmeter to measure the voltages. Now we have to place the ammeter for currents. So here we have the ammeter. We have to find the current. We have to place the meter in series because ammeter is always connected in series with the resistors. This is for R1, and now we have to place the ammeter for R2 and repeat the same process for R3. Okay, that's all. Now let's check the values. Click run simulation and we can see the values. We have the voltage 24 volt, and for V2 we have 6 volt, and for V3 we also have 6 volt. For currents, the I1 is 3 ampere and I2 is 2 ampere while I3 is 1 ampere. So that's all.